everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to take a quick look at a few different products from Anker. Today I'm going to take a look at the Anker PowerPort 3 Nano, and I actually have two of these, and I'm not really quite sure of what the difference is. I do need to thank Anker for sending these over to the channel for an unboxing and an initial first look, and they sent two of them, and the box sizes are a little bit different. So the only thing I can think is the box was a little bit bigger when they first started shipping them, and then they changed the size of the box to be a little bit smaller. So I'm not quite sure which one you would get if you actually ordered them. I'm assuming the smaller one since it's called the Nano. Yeah, so but basically it looks like to be the same. I don't know. We'll have to take a look when we open them to see if they're any different, but they're both labeled PowerPort 3 Nano. And yeah, so we'll go for there. And then they also sent me a Anker power cable for the iDevices. So iPhone, iPad, iPods. And we'll open this up first just real quick because I've got it here. And as you'll see, in typical Anker style, you know, this is a really nice looking, well-made cable. So it has metal ends. One side is USB-C, the other side is a Lightning connector. This is white, it's braided nylon, has an integrated cable tie with the Anker logo. So super nice cable. I don't know how long this is. I think it's probably at 6 feet. So you got a 6-foot cable, which is nice. And again, these things have USB-C connectors on them, so that's why this is USB-C to Lightning. So actually, I mean, really well made cable. I mean, if you've ever had a premium cable, this feels like a premium cable. So we got that, so that's nice. And we'll start with this bigger box. And like I said, Anker did send these to the channel, but as you know, and anybody that's watched my channel for any length of time should know, I don't change my reviews based on whether or not I get products from companies, you know, as for free, you know, to review. I mean, I give my honest feedback. If it sucks, it sucks. If it's good, it's good. No in between. So here, information about the Anker PowerPort. If you're happy, if you're not happy, I don't know what they want you to do. Let's open it up. If you're happy, go away. If you're not happy, contact them. So you can do that. And as you can see, like, they're wasting a lot of packaging in this initial thing because this thing is tiny. So this, if you look at it, it is about the size of a standard like iPhone brick, you know, the ones that you would normally get with your devices, or at least in the past you would get with your devices. Obviously, Apple's not going to be even giving you these types of things anymore, but it is very small. You know, it's got the Anker brand logo on the side, IQ3 logo on the top, and this is the standard US adapter with the two evenly sized power prongs. So it's about 1 inch by 1 inch by 1.18 inches, or 1.10 square, and it's a little bit deeper than it is on the square sides. You know, basically this is around 20 watts of power. So I think it says it's rated for 18 watts, Power IQ 3.0, Type-C wall connector, or Type-C wall charger, and obviously ultra compact. Works with all the iPhones, all the recent iPhones, all the new Galaxy devices, Pixel devices, iPad Pros, and everything. It is a compact high output charging device. So you can take a look at the actual specs on the website or the Amazon listing to talk about, you know, like how fast it will charge your devices. But, you know, it does have universal compatibility, and as you can tell, is super compact. So they're saying, charge an iPhone 11 to 53% in just 30 minutes. That's 3 times faster than the standard 5-watt charger, the original one. This is what it looks like, pretty small. Now I'll open this other box, and I'm assuming it's going to be the exact same thing, just in a smaller box. Yeah, and it is. So here you go, same thing, just in smaller packaging. So in this video, that's really all I wanted to do. Not going to do any charge tests. Again, this is really just, it's an 18-watt charger. I'm assuming that it's going to work like an 18-watt charger. The thing to note generally, though, is these are very tiny, very small. If you look at one of the other iPad bricks, obviously this is not USB-C, but, this is things you'll normally get with like an iPad, and this is, tiny compared to that. This is what you'll get with any of the newer Samsung devices. And, this is, again, much smaller compared to that. So if you're looking for something portable, something you can throw in your bag or your purse or anything like that and kind of bring with you to charge your devices, definitely take a look at this. This will work with, like I said, all the modern phones, not just iPhones, even though the cable I got there was an iPhone cable. But USB-C, universal charge, 18 watts of power. Definitely check them out. I'll link to this in the description below, to the Amazon listing, also to the Anker website that talks about this. If you have any questions, also post those below. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.